Every sector has got their own problems.
Yeah.
And we just need to identify what our core strengths are. But what they should focus about is something which I may be able to judge. I mean, see, I'll tell you a simple thing. You might be interested in healthcare. I'm interested in FMCG. Someone will be interested in financials, and someone is actually developed very interested in IT. Every sector has got a problem statement. Even today, each and every sector has got a problem statement. Our main intention is to identify what is the problem and what is the efficiency we could bring out of that problem. So what you should concentrate is on the minimal issues what are underlying. I'll give you a classic example. You had this demonetization, right? Prior to demonetization, has anyone heard of something called Paytm? Not many. 1% of the
Yeah.
people, right?
Exactly.
They've identified the problem. They had a vision saying that all the payments can be made via mobile with a simple click of a button by collaborating with banks and the vendors. That problem never clicked on the first level. But the minute demonetization came into account and when there was no money on hand, what happened? Which was a company like Paytm, which was almost about to be bankrupted, became the talk of the town. Anything and everything, from a chai wala till a super restaurant, Paytm was the way forward. Correct?
Definitely.
So he had that vision to identify what's the problem, and he created a solution for that. Similarly, we should have that vision to identify the problem in your area of interest. Sector doesn't matter, function doesn't matter. It's your choice. A simple pick of a copy from one place to another place may also be a problem statement to you, for a people who are not able to have any kind of support or some health issues. You just need to identify what is the solution for that and go ahead with
Definitely.
that. Be confident on your solution. No matter what happens, there might be 1,000 people who will reject your solution and 10,000 people who will say that you're doing a useless job. But there would always be that one person who will say that this is the idea, I want to take it forward, and we just need to find that person, and you just need to have patience. That's what
Definitely.
I
So,
would.
like,
Yeah.
even if you are working on something that you like, you will automatically be motivated to do that.
And with
Am I right?
this, there was always a statement. Once about Einstein, right? And there was an interview which was
Hmm.
happening for Einstein, and the interviewers actually questioned him, saying that before inventing this bulb, you almost failed 20,000 times. And after 20,000 efforts and long effort, that is when you've invented this. So what's the use of wasting so much of time failing 20,000 times? And the simple reply from Einstein was that I haven't failed 20,000 times. Rather, I've learned 20,000 times how not to do this work. And after that, I got to know how to do this work.
Wow.
So that's what we have to be in. That is a positive state of mind what we have to be in. Only if we know how not to do the work, then we will get to know how to do the work.